I am Dr. R.S. Parvode, delivered the online lecture to BSc final student. Our topic is legendary polynomial, unit number 1, already contained in paper 10th mathematical methods. First of all, power series. What is power series? Power series is the infinite series. This is already known to you. And given below, r is equal to 0 to infinity ar x raised to the power k plus r is equal to a0 x raised to the power k plus a1 x raised to the power k plus 1 plus a2 x raised to the power k plus 2 and so on. This is the ascending power series. And descending power series, r is equal to 0 to infinity ar x raised to the power k minus r is equal to a0 x raised to the power k plus a1 x raised to the power k minus 1 plus a2 x raised to the power k minus 2 plus this is descending power series. Next is Legendre equation and its solution. So what is Legendre equation? Legendre equation is the second order differential equation and equation of the form 1 minus x square y double dash minus twice x y dash plus n plus 1 y is equal to 0 is called a Legendre equation where n is positive. The general solution of Legendre equation is that y is equal to a y1 plus b y2. First part is CF and second is PI. CF, a is constant, b is constant parallel to c1 c2 and y is equal to a pnx and b is qnx. pnx and qnx are the Legendre functions of first order and second order respectively. In our syllabus only study of pnx, so y1 is equal to a0. This is the sequence x raised to the power n minus 1 upon 2 to n minus 1 x raised to the power n minus 2 plus n minus 1 n minus 2 n minus 3 upon 2 twice n minus 1 twice n minus 2 x raised to the power n minus 4 and so on. Now substitute the value of a0. a0 is the Legendre constant. a0 is the Legendre constant and their value is 135 to n minus 1 upon n factorial bracket this is x raised to the power n minus 1 upon 2 to n minus 1 x raised to the power n minus 2 and so on. This is the p and x are Legendre polynomial. Now generating function of p and x. In this theorem, p and x is the coefficient of h raised to the power n in ascending power series expansion of 1 minus twice xh plus h square raised to the power minus 1 by 2. And algebraic representation is n is equal to 0 to infinity h raised to the power n pn is equal to 1 minus twice xh plus h square raised to the power minus 1 by 2. X is positive, h is positive. Now prove. Since x and h are positive, we have this series. This is the well-known series 1 minus x raised to the power minus 1 by 2 1 plus 1 upon 2x plus 1 3 upon 2 4x square and middle term is 135 up to 2n minus 1 upon 2 4 6 up to 2n x raised to the power n plus up to infinity. And next is binomial expansion. Now 1 minus twice x plus h square raised to the power minus 1 by 2 written as bracket 1 minus h twice x minus h whole raised to the power minus 1 by 2 and apply this series. So 1 plus 1 upon 2h twice x minus h plus 1 3 upon 2 4h square 2x minus h square plus 1 3 5 up to 2n minus 5 2 4 upon 2 4 6 up to 2n minus 4 h raised to the power n minus 2 twice x minus h raised to the power n minus 2 plus next term is 1 3 5 up to 2n minus 3 upon 2 4 6 up to 2n minus 2 h raised to the power n minus 1 2x minus h raised to the power n minus 1. Again next term 1 3 5 up to 2n minus 1 upon 2 4 6 up to 2n h raised to the power n 2x minus h raised to the power n. Again next term 1 3 5 up to 2n minus 1 2n plus 1 2 4 6 up to 2n plus 2 h raised to the power n plus 2 n plus 1 2x minus h raised to the power n plus 1 plus and so on up to infinity. Next step, this is the 1 plus 1 upon 2 h 2x minus h 1 3 upon 2 4 h square 2x minus h raised to the power 2 plus middle term is here apply in this function 2x minus h raised to the power n minus 2 apply binomial expansion. Here also apply binomial expansion, binomial expansion, binomial expansion. We get here 135 up to 2n minus 5 upon 246 up to 2n minus 4 h raised to the power n minus 2 bracket 2x raised to the power n minus 2 minus nc n minus 2 c1 twice x n minus 2x raised to the power n minus 3 h plus n minus 2 c2 twice x raised to the power n minus 3 n minus 4 x square h square. This is actually n minus 4. Next is 135 up to 2n minus 3 upon 246 up to 2n minus 2 h raised to the power n minus 1. Again same binomial theorem, and last again binomial theorem. Now the coefficient of h raised to the power n in right hand side. In right hand side we can write here coefficient of h raised to the power n in reverse order. Now last here h raised to the power n means this part, coefficient of h raised to the power n is this part, and this is the 2x raised to the power n. In second 135 up to 2n minus 3 upon 246 up to 2n minus 2 into n minus 1 c1 2x raised to the power n minus 2. Next term 135 up to 2n minus 5 n minus power n minus 2 2n minus 5 upon 246 up to 2n minus 4 into n minus 2 c2 twice x raised to the power n minus 4. And next step, now here substitute the value of this n minus 1 c1 n minus 2 c2, substitute here this is the value. Next step 135 2n minus 1 upon 2 common up to n times 2 raised to the power n into n factorial 135 up to n factorial n here, and this is the series. Next 135 upon 2n minus 1 upon factorial n x raised to the power n n minus 1 upon 2 2n minus 1 x raised to the power n minus 2 n minus 1 n minus 2 n minus 3 upon 2 2n minus 1 2n minus 3 x raised to the power n minus 4 minus and so on up to infinity. This is the Legendre polynomial and denoted by Pnx. Now remark, the quantity of this function 1 minus twice x h plus h square raised to the power minus 1 by 2 is called the generating function of Pnx. Now example, so that Pnx is equal to 1, Pn minus x is equal to minus 1 raised to the power n Pnx, and hence deduce Pn minus 1 raised to the power minus 1 raised to the power n. Solution, we have again series 1 minus h raised to the power minus 1. This is the series 1 minus h square plus h raised to the power 3 up to infinity, and this is the summation denoted by summation h raised to the power n. We have generating function summation n is equal to 0 to infinity h raised to the power n Pnx is equal to 1 minus twice hx plus h square raised to the power minus 1 by 2, and this implies again written as side change only. Put x is equal to, for x is equal to 1, put here x is equal to 1 minus twice h plus h square raised to the power minus 1 by 2 is equal to this summation, and for left hand side is equal to 1 minus x raised to the power minus 1 2 cancel is equal to summation, and this is 1 minus h raised to the power minus 1 means this is given expansion, this is this summation is equal to this is equation number 2. Equate the coefficient of h raised to the power n on both sides. Therefore left hand side coefficient of h raised to the power n is 1, here 1, and here Pn 1. This is therefore Pn1 is equal to 1. Now second part, this is 1 plus twice hx plus h square raised to the power minus 1 by 2 can be written as 1 minus twice x minus h minus h. means the function h is the quantity h is taken as in negative terms, and we get this summation. Summation is minus 1 raised to the power summation minus 1 raised to the power n h raised to the power n p n x. This is a part, and again same 1 plus twice x h plus h square raised to the power minus 1 by 2 is equal to, here we take negative x, negative x, so 1 minus twice x minus x, and this is the, therefore the summation is this. Left hand sides are equal, so right hand sides are equal. We get this is equal, this implies p n minus x is equal to minus 1 raised to the power n p n x. And finally we have from a and b, substitute this with the a and b are equal, put x is equal to 1, x is equal to 1 in this way. This is p n minus 1 is equal to this. This is the result. Hello friends, come back on theorem number 2, Rodrigues formula. Rodrigues formula is Pnx is equal to 1 upon n factorial 2 raised to the power n d raised to the power n dx n x square minus 1 raised to the power n. This is the Rodrigues formula and most important. Now its proof. Let y is equal to x square minus 1 raised to the power n and differentiate with respect to x. We get dy upon dx is equal to n x square minus 1 raised to the power n minus 1 upon twice x. Now substitute, convert into this form, dy upon dx twice n x, x square minus 1 raised to the power n upon x square minus 1 means x square minus 1 power minus 1, this minus 1 is in denominator. This implies x square cross multiplication, x square minus 1 dy upon dx is equal to twice n xy is equal to twice n xy. Say equation second. Equation second, differentiate n plus 1 times by Leibniz theorem. Leibniz theorem is well known theorem. So apply here. First function n plus 1 time derivative of n plus 1 times of dy upon dx means already n plus 2. This is d n plus 2 upon dx n plus 2y plus nc1 derivative of first function means x square minus 1, its derivative is twice x. This is the derivative of twice x, and this is the function, the derivative n plus 1 derivative, so d n plus 1 upon dx n plus 1 y plus nc2 second derivative of first function means twice x means 2 dn y upon dxn is equal to twice n is constant, and first function into derivative of n plus 1 derivative of y, so dn plus 1 y upon dxn plus 1 plus derivative of 2 means twice x means 1 2, so this is twice n plus 1 c1 dn y upon dxn. This is the apply the Leibniz theorem, and here substitute the value of n plus c1. This is n plus c1, and here n plus c2, n plus 1 c1, and third this is x square minus 1 d n plus 2 y upon dx n plus 2 plus twice x n plus 1 minus 1 d n plus 1 y upon dx n plus 1 minus n plus 1 dn y upon dxn is equal to 0. This implies 1 minus x square. Here x square minus 1 convert into 1 minus x square means sign change d square d raised to the power n plus 2 of y upon dx raised to the power n plus 2 minus twice x dn plus 1 y upon dx n plus 1 plus n plus 1 dn y upon dxn is equal to 0. This is equation third. Put here dn y upon dxn is equal to f, and we get this equation. This is again legendary equation. This is legendary equation in f, but f is equal to, this is f is equal to dn y upon dxn is equal to dn y, substitute the value of y, here power is n, y mean its power is n. This is equation number 5. We choose a polynomial of degree n since Pnx is the solution of legendary equation is unique. Therefore we have f is equal to a Pnx. F is equal to a Pnx. A is the constant. Substitute the value of here dn upon dxn into x square raised to the power 1 x minus 1 raised to the power n. Here again this is the power, here power is n. This is the equation 6, a p n x. Next is, now to obtain the value of constant a, put x is equal to 1 in equation 6 we get. Substitute in equation 6. Generally put here x is equal to 1 we get 0. This is not proper. So this is put here x is equal to 1 in nth derivative. So is equal to a p n x means a p n 1. So nth derivative, therefore right hand side here, therefore left hand side dn upon dxn x minus 1 raised to the power n, break into two parts, a plus b, a minus b. This is by Leibniz theorem again apply up to nth derivative. First function, this is second function. So this is the Leibniz formula. We get from this n is equal to 1. N is equal to 1 put here, we get 2. And here n is equal to 1, we get 0. So dn upon dxn n is equal to 1 raised to the 2 raised to the power n. Here n is equal to x is equal to 1, 1 plus 1, 2 raised to the power n, and its derivative is n factorial, n minus 1, n minus 2, n minus 3, and all are equal to 0. So we get the value is 2 raised to the power n factorial. Therefore a pn1 is equal to 2 raised to the power n. This implies a is equal to this p1. Since p1 is equal to 1, this is already proved. Put this value in equation 6. Equation 6 is that this is equation 6. Substitute the value of a. This is the value of a, 1 upon 2 raised to the power n factorial dn upon dxn x square minus 1 raised to the power n, and this is the Legendre. This is the Rodrigues formula. This is the Rodrigues formula. This is most important formula, applicable everywhere. Now example 2. Find the value of p0, p1, p2, p3 and p4 by Rodrigues formula. We have Rodrigues formula. Pnx is equal to 1 upon 2 raised to the power n factorial dn upon dx raised to the power n x square minus 1. And first put n is equal to 0. This is p0. Left hand side is p0. Here n is equal to 0, n is equal to 0, n is equal to 0 means 1, and factorial 0 means 1. We get p0 is equal to 1. Same. See in second, n is equal to 1. Left hand side is equal to 1. 2 raised to the power 1, 1 factorial d1 upon dx1. This is first derivative. We take here first derivative, x square upon 2, x square minus 1. Its first derivative is twice x. 2 to cancel, we get only x. Third, n is equal to 2, p2, 1 upon 2 is square, 2 factorial d square upon dx square, x square minus 1 raised to the power 2. This is 1 upon 2 square, 2 factorial d upon single derivative. We take here, this is the single derivative, again double derivative. Double derivative is the, this is the double derivative. So here 1 upon 2 thrice x square minus 1, and p3 is equal to p2 is equal to, here p2 is equal to 1 upon 2 thrice x square minus 1. This is the p2. Now put n is equal to 3. This is p3. N is equal to 2. This is p3. This is the p3. d cube upon dx cube. This is the first derivative. This is the second derivative. And this is the third derivative. Third derivative is, this is the 1 upon 8 into 20x raised to the power 3 minus 12x. So p3 is equal to 1 upon 3. 5x raised to the power 3 minus thrice x. This is the value of p3. And same value for p4. Next example is, prove that x square is equal to 1 upon 3 p0x plus 2 upon 3 p2x. We have Rodrigues formula. put n is equal to 0 and 1, we get first time 0 and second time 1, means P0 and P2. The value of P0 is 1 and the value of P2 is x. Substitute here the values P0 and P2, we get x square. This is the result. Next example, so that P dash n1 is equal to 1 by 2 n into n plus 1, and second is P dash n minus 1 is equal to minus 1 raised to the power n plus 1 into 1 upon 2 n plus 1. These are the applications of Rodrigues formula. Solution: since P and x satisfy the Legendre equation, so 1 minus x square, Pn means polynomial, pi double dash means P double dash n x twice x Pn x plus n plus 1 Pn x is equal to 0. Put x is equal to 1. X is equal to 1 means 1 minus 1. 1 minus 1 means 0. This is equal, left hand side is equal to 0, and right hand side is equal to 2 into 1. 2 into 1 into minus 2 into 1 into P dash 1 P dash n1 n plus 1 Pn1 is equal to 0. This is 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. 2.1 P dash n1 plus n plus 1 Pn1 is equal to 0, and side change, so P dash n1 is equal to 1 upon 2 n minus 1, and same proof here. Put x is equal to minus 1, we get again this derivation, and finally result is P dash n minus 1 is equal to 1 upon 2 n plus 1 minus 1 raised to the power n plus 1. This is the result. And next example is, so that integration minus 1 to 1 x raised to the power 3 p3 dx is equal to p3x dx is equal to 4 upon 35. By Rodrigues formula, this is the application of Rodrigues formula. This is Rodrigues formula. N is equal to 3, P3 is equal to already solved in above. So this is the value of P3. Left hand side, this is the x square P3, substitute the value of P3, this is the multiplication, and this is the integration with limit 0 to 1. This is the 2. We have already one formula, minus 1 to 1, integration minus 1 to 1 is equal to integration twice integration 0 to 1. This is 0 to 1 and this is 2. This is 4 upon 35. Next example, prove that first part is minus 1 to 1 Pn x dx is equal to 0, n does not equal 0, and second is minus 1 to 1 p0x dx is equal to 2. Again, this is the application of Rodrigues formula. This is the again Rodrigues formula. Integrate between minus 1 to 1. This Rodrigues formula integrate between 1 to 1. This is the constant. So right here, integration minus 1 to 1 dn upon dx n x square minus 1 raised to the power n. This is this. मतलब 1 means 1 upon 2 raised to the power n factorial dn minus 1. 1 integration is cancelled, so this is the derivative n minus 1 dx n minus 1 and this. Therefore 1 upon 2 raised to the power n factorial dn minus 1 upon dx n minus 1 converted into two parts again, a plus b a minus b. Again apply the Leibniz formula. This is Leibniz formula already shown in a Rodrigues formula, derivation of Rodrigues formula. So integration Pn x dx is equal to 0. The value minus 1 to 1 is equal to 0. Means substitute here minus 1, we get 0. Here plus 1 is equal to 0. So minus 1 to plus 1, this derivation is 0. So minus 1 to 1, integration minus 1 to 1 Pn x dx is equal to 0, first part. Now second part, again Rodrigues formula, integrate between minus 1 to 1, same. P0x dx, this is the substitute the n is equal to 0. P0, this is the value is 2. So integration minus 1 P0 x dx is equal to 2. This is the complete example.